In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to register an account on Pocket Broker. Firstly, open your browser and go to pocketoption.com. Always double check the domain to avoid fake websites. On the homepage, click the sign up or start in one click button. Enter your email address, then create a strong password. You can enter a promo code if you have one, then check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and finally click Sign Up. After signing up, a pop-up guide may appear. Feel free to explore it. Now, go to your email inbox, look for a verification email from Pocket Option. Then click the confirmation link in the email. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder and mark it as not spam if needed. Now that you're signed up, you can start with a demo account or deposit real money to begin live trading. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.